Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on pocket option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first step is that we need to open up a web browser and go to pocketoption.com. From here, sign into your account. Now once we sign into our account, depending what type of trade you want to do, so if you want to do a real trade, make sure you top up your account by go ahead and click on top up and then go to deposit and then deposit money through your account top up page here. Also, you might need to complete your verification KYC for deposits and withdrawals as well. As you can see in my account, I'm unverified, so I might need to do that in the future. Now, after that's all said and done, we need to switch to a Forex trading mode. So on the trading screen, so on the far left, top left hand corner of the screen, click on the trading button there. Now from here, we want to go ahead and select a Forex MT4 real account, Forex MT4 demo account, or we got Forex MT5 real account or Forex MT5 demo account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do a demo account. So I'm going to use the Forex MT5 demo account. It's all the same, basically. All right, once this chart opens up, now we can go ahead and choose a currency pair. So we can select popular pairs like EUR, USD, GBP, USD, JPY, etc. So I might go ahead and choose CAD PY for this demonstration. Now once you've done that, it's going to reflect on the charts like so. Now on the right hand side, we're going to see a little buy and sell button. So make sure we're on the buy here. We can do a market order or buy price order. And then under that, you've got volume of a trade in lots. So choose your lot size. Then under that, we've got conditions for closing a deal. So choose whether to buy long if you expect the price to rise or sell short if you expect it to fall. Now, say if we want to do one lot, I'm going to do one and then click on buy. You can also use tools for analysis. So on the top left hand corner, we've got indicators we can add in as well, and we can have some drawings. Also, we can change the chart candles from candles to bars to line, and we got time frames up below this as well. Now we can combine technical and fundamental analysis before placing trades. Also monitor and close trades. So watch your open positions in the trades tab. So on the bottom left corner, I can have a look at my positions here. Now you can also manually close a trade before TPSO is hit as well. So there's got a little close button. Now tips: start with a demo account first to practice trading without any risk. And there is a risk warning as well. So Forex and CFDs are high risk. So never trade money you can't afford to lose.